In the shadowy attic rain drums a somber rhythm as Mirha and Hussein step into a realm of forgotten memories. Dust dances in the faint light, illuminating the secrets hidden within the attic's boarded windows. They stumble upon a forgotten box in a dark corner, its presence hinting at untold stories. With bated breath, Mirha gently raises the lid, her heart pounding with anticipation. A beautiful old lantern rests within, its light promising to illuminate more than just the attic. Mirha's eyes widen at the sight, her voice filled with wonder. This looks so special! The living room glows with warmth, enveloping Mama, Mirha, and Hussein in its comforting embrace. An old lantern rests on the table, its age frame whispering tales of times long past. Mama's voice fills the room with the gentle echo of history. This lantern belonged to your great-grandfather. Her eyes soften with fond memory as she adds, he always said it lit up with prayers. Mira listens intently, her eyes reflecting the lantern's soft glow and her grandmother's words. Hussein, too, is captivated, his imagination kindled by the stories of his great-grandfather. In the dimly lit living room, Hussein clutches the lantern, his eyes squeezed shut in fervent prayer. Ya Allah, let Baba come home early. I want to play with him. The front door creaks open, breaking the silence with a promise. Baba steps in, his arms overflowing with the simple joys of toys and ice cream. The meeting was canceled today. I thought I'd surprise my children. Love and prayer, that's the real miracle, Mama exclaims, the lantern casting a warm glow.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.